Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to Data Science Masterclass Series Day 21. So in the session, we are going to start working on the regression, guys. And on the previous machine learning session, I think we guys have worked on classification. Same as like on the machine learning category, we guys have seen supervised, unsupervised, and then reinforcement, right? Under the supervised learning itself, there is two category. One is classification and another one is a regression. So on that list, today we are going to explore the regression. So the project which we are going to work on today is house price prediction using linear regression. Okay. So and another main thing today, I'm in live, guys. Okay, it is not a recorded session. So Vikash Kumar, hi. Vikash Kumar, Hitesh Kumar Sharma, hi sir. And Shlok Kumar, Nilesh, Panchal, Batula, Mamta, and Kumar, Niket, and Vaishali, and Mukesh, and Atula Ramvama, hi, good to meet you again, and Amna, Elayan, hi, and Chanbi, hi, Ashwini, hi, and Vishaka, hi, and Kiruti, hi, and Benamal Zakia, hi, good to meet you again. I'm also happy to see you. And Samir, hi, Kalyani, hi, Awal, hi, and thank you so much, guys. And Saurabh Patki, hi. Wonderful. Thank you so much for your warm welcome, guys. Hello, all. Okay, so let us go to the session. So before going on to the session, there is a same announcement. So attendance link will be available before the live ends. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Until then, please don't rush up for the attendance form. Hi, Deepthi Priya. Hi, good to meet you again. And Mikasa, hi, good evening. Please call me Sanjay, guys. Okay, no need to call sir. Please call me Sanjay. Okay. So and Manoj Kumar. Hi, Manoj Kumar. Hi. Okay, so wonderful, guys, wonderful. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. Okay, so now let us go to the session, guys. So house price prediction using linear regression. Okay, so before going on to the session, are you guys all super excited to work on a project? Like you are going to predict the price of the house based on the certain parameter. It may be a land area, it may be any parameter. You are going to predict the house price based on some of the parameter. By using the machine learning algorithm. Okay, how many of you guys are really excited to do this project to predict the house price by using linear regression algorithm? So if you are super excited, you just post I am super excited Sanjay in your live chat. Kukreja, hi, and Akshay, hi guys. Okay, so first of all, let us explore the first thing. So the problem. So what is the problem statement here? We are going to predict the house price based on the area. So for an example, area means it is nothing but, guys, like for an example, while talking about an area, that area which is going to be specified in some of the units like square feet or meters or acres or something like that, right? So what we are just going to do is based on the area, we are going to predict what is going to be the price of the land. Okay, so based on the data which we are going to use here, so I'll show that later. So before that, based on the square feet or based on the area of the land, we are going to predict what is going to be the price of that certain house based on the area. Okay, that is what we are going to do. Thank you so much, Batula, Teja, and Slow Clap, Ashish, and Bhagavan. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posted. I'm super excited. Wonderful. Okay, that is what we are going to do. Okay, wait a minute, guys. So before going further, there is a surprise today which is really waiting for you because it is really a great surprise. Okay, so I hope you guys will really love surprises. If you really love surprises, you just post I love it. I love surprises Sanjay in your live chat because it is really a huge surprises, because even me also it is really a huge surprises. Okay, so it is really a great surprise. Okay, so please stay till the end so that you are going to get that surprise thing. Okay, so that is the problem statement. Let us come to the session. So we are going to predict the house price based on the land area. Now let us explore the data set. So here I would like to show the data set first of all. Okay, so you just see here, so dataset.csv. Okay, so this is my dataset.csv here. So what is this dataset.csv? Here I have two columns. Okay, one first column is area and second column is price. Okay, I'll zoom it a little bit. The first columns are the first column is area and second column is a price. So here we have a set of databases which is really having two columns and 1461 rows. Okay, it is really a good data, right? So here we have two columns and 1461 rows. Okay, so here we have two columns. Okay, so the first column is area and the second column is the price. Okay, so now let us interact a little bit because we are in the live today. So you just guys tell me, out of these two columns of data, which one is going to be our X and which one is going to be my Y. Okay, I think you can able to answer it very simply. But anyhow, you just try to interact with me by answering these questions. Okay, so which column is going to be our X? So there is a lot of different names for X, like our independent variable, our features. So a lot of things are input. So which column is going to be our input and which column is going to be our output? That's my question. You just give your answers in the live chat. Okay, so area and then price. So, okay, that is what the first thing. So here, once the data. So first of all, what we are just going to do is we are just going to load that data by using a pandas library, and we are going to summarize our data set by using the same dataset.shape and dataset.5 or dataset.describe. So likewise, we are going to identify, or we are going to see the information about the data set. So that is what we are going to explore. And while talking about the visualization, so it is optional, guys. Okay, so we got the response. The first answer by Manoj Kumar, A is X, exactly. And Batula Teja given the answer X is equal to area. And Benamor Zagia given both answer area is equal to X and price is equal to Y. Wonderful, wonderful, Benamor Zagia. And Manjunath, Y is price and X is area. Wonderful. And Mikasa, there are a lot of people are posting their answer. Chaitali and Saurabh and Belai and Smita. Thank you so much for answering that question, guys. Okay, so once the data set which has been loaded, now it's time to visualize the data set. We are going to see the data in the format of like graphs and those stuffs. Okay, we are going to visualize our data set. And then we are going to segregate our data set into input and then output. As you guys have already told from our complete data set, which is having 2 columns of data, we are going to split, or we are going to take the first column as an input and then second column, which is nothing but the last column, which is going to be our output. So likewise, we are going to segregate our data. Now, let us go for the algorithm. So before going for the algorithm, are you guys all super clear with these concepts? Okay, so what the problem we are going to solve by using this machine learning program? Okay, so if you all super clear with this concept, you just post I'm super clear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so first of all, the problem statement is we are going to predict the price of the house based on the land area. Here we have 2 columns. One is the area and second column is price. So first of all, we need to load the data set by using a pandas library. I think you guys have got familiar with that libraries. And then we are going to summarize our data set, and then we are going to visualize our data set, and then we are going to split our data set into X and then Y, which is nothing but a segregation. So that is what we are going to do. Okay, so this is the basic steps. Now let us go further to explain the mathematics behind it. I'll try to cover the mathematics in a funny or a very easy way. Okay, don't I won't let you boring. Okay, so let us go with this. Okay, so what is the algorithm we are going to use in this project is linear regression. So while talking about the linear regression, okay, you just try to come with me, guys. So the concept with the linear regression is, first of all, we used to plot the data point. For an example, here I have a data like 8450, 2 lakh and 8500 and 9600, 1 lakh and 81500. So likewise, here we have X and then here we have Y, right? So first of all, the data needed to be plotted. So the green colored dots, which are nothing but our data points. Okay, once the data points are being plotted on that certain graph, what we are going to do is we are going to draw one line. Okay, we are going to draw a line which is going to be fit for the maximum data point, the best fit straight line. Okay, that is the main keyword. We are going to draw a straight line on the maximum on the data points which need to be covering up the maximum data points. I'll explain it in another way. For an example, guys, so on here, okay, I think you can able to see me. So on here, I have some of the few data points like 20, 60, 50, 60, 70, 81, and 32, 20. So likewise, I have a lot of data points, right? So what is the main motive? We need to draw a straight line, right? So we need to draw a straight line. For an example, here we have 5 data points, right? So if there are 5 data points, I need to draw a straight line which need to fit for the maximum data points. For an example, so these are the 5 data points. You just look at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So out of this 5 data points, so you can able to draw a straight line here. You can able to draw a straight line here. You can able to draw a straight line here, right? But what is the main motive? That straight line need to be fit for the maximum data point. So this is the best fit line, right? So the straight line which has been fitted for every data point, which every data points are close to the straight line. Okay. Can you able to understand, guys? Okay, if you really understood this, you just post I understood Sanjay in your live chat, or you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. I got this. Okay, so here we have lot of few data points. So we are going to draw a straight line which it need to fit for the maximum amount of the data point. That is the main motive, right? So while talking about the straight line equation, which is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c, mx plus c or mx plus b. So here y is your output is equal to m is nothing but your slope, x is nothing but your input, and b is nothing but intercept. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so what is the thing, guys? So here we have y is equal to mx plus b. While talking about this, m is nothing but our slope and b is nothing but our intercept. Okay, so while talking about the slope, so here I have the same data points. So you can draw a line here, line here, line here, line here, right? So we need to represent how that line which is being fitted, the angle, right? That slope. Okay, that is the slope. Whereas the intercept, where the point or where the line which has been striking on that y-axis, right? So this red color dot, sorry, red color circle. So this is known as the intercept. So data model using a straight line. So here we have a data points. So the main motive is to make our straight line need to be fit for the data points. Okay, so and then you just see the picture. So I'm gonna be exploring you the step by step. Okay, here we have nearly like 13 steps. Okay, it is going to be very simple. Okay, so don't overthink yourself like what is this, what is this, what is this, what is this and all. Please try to follow me, guys. Okay, if you are going to follow me or if you are guys who with me, just post I'm with you Sanjay in your live chat. So what is the thing is, you just see the first point, plot x comma y. So for an example, so instead of considering this tables or this data set, because it is really a huge data set, for an example, here we have taken very sample x and then y. So instead of using this xy, I'm gonna taking very short samples like 1 3 2 4 3 2 4 4 5 5. Okay, it is a sample, right? My x comma y. What is the first point? Here we have written plot x and y. So what is meant by plotting? 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5. In our school days, we used to plot the graph, right? So 1 comma 3 means on the x-axis we need to see 1, and in the y-axis we need to see 3. So the blue color dot which has been placed in here, and the second data points are 2 comma 4. So 2 is here and 4 is here, the second data point which has been plotted, and 3 comma 2. So 3 and then 2, 4 and then 4, 5 and then 5. Or you guys are clear with the first step. Okay, so if you are clear with the first step, you just post clear 1 Sanjay in your live chat. So what we just did, we just plotted x comma y. Okay, don't overthink like what is the red color line, what is the red color dot, what is the blue color line, what is the yellow line. Don't overthink. Please try to follow me. Okay, so what is the first step? We need to plot x and then y, which is nothing but the blue color dots which is present here. 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4 up to etc. 5 comma 5. So the 5 plots or 5 data points which has been plotted, that is the first step. Okay, so and then what is the thing is the second part. While talking about the second part, finding mean of x. So while talking about finding mean of x, so I think you guys already know what is the mean formula. Okay, if you really know the mean formula, you just give your answers in the live chat. Okay, what is the mean formula? Okay, thank you so much. Shraddha Chavan posted a clear one. Okay, so and Srinivas Naik, thank you so much for posting clear. Okay, so what is the thing is finding mean for x. Okay, what we are just going to do is we are going to find out the mean of x. So what is the mean formula is we are going to add every values and divide it by with a total number of values. Okay, that is the mean formula. So here I have an x, right? So 1 2 3 4 5. So what we really want to do for calculating the mean of x is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. So this is the value or this is the mean, okay, which is nothing but our x dash. Okay, 3. Or you guys are clear with the second step? If you are clear with the second step, you just post clear 2 Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So finding mean for x, what we are just going to do is we are finding the mean for the next. Okay, so here we have 1 2 3 4 5. What is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. Okay, that is the mean of x. Or you guys are clear with the second step? If you are clear with the second step, you just post clear 2 Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so yes, Gulam given the first only answer, sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Wonderful answer. Okay, so first of all, we need to find out the mean for x. So which is the 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 5 divided by 5. So I'm finding mean for x. And then third step is finding mean for y. So what is the meaning here? So 3 plus. So we are finding out already the mean for x. Now we need to find out the mean for y. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. So which is 3.6. Okay. So x dash is 3 and y dash is 3.6. All you guys are clear with these 3 steps? If you are clear with the 3 steps, you just post clear 3 Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So first of all, we have plotted the x comma y and we have found out the mean of x, which is x dash, which is 3. And we need to find out the mean of y, which is y dash 3.6. Now, the fourth step is determining a vertical line from the point of x, point of mean of x, which is x dash, which is nothing but what is our x dash value? Our x dash value is 3, right? So what we just want to do is we are going to draw a vertical line on that x axis because this is the mean of x, right? Which is x dash. So we are going to draw one vertical line on that certain axis. That is this a blue color line which has been vertically drawn. That is 3. Okay, so now and next step, on the fifth step, we are going to draw a horizontal line from the point of mean of y, which is y dash. So what is our y dash value? Y dash value is 3.6. So we are going to draw a horizontal line on that y axis. Okay, so vertical line which has been drawn based on the x dash or mean of x, which is 3. So the vertical line which has been drawn and the horizontal value which is 3.6, the horizontal line which has also been drawn on the value of 3.6. Okay, mean of y, which is y dash. Okay, are you guys are clear with this 5 steps? Okay, if you really loving the if you really love this max, you just post I love this Max Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so we guys are plotted and if I used to find out the mean of x, we used to find out the mean of y and we used to draw the vertical line based on the mean of x and we used to draw the horizontal line based on the mean of y axis. Oh, sorry, y. Okay, so that is all the 5 steps. And 6 steps. Mark the point of intersection of that two lines, mean of x comma mean of y. So here there is one point of intersection, right? So 3 comma 3.6, right? So this is the point of intersection, the red line which is out there. Okay, that is the 6th point. So we are going to draw that red color or we are going to plot that red color dot, which is the point of intersection of that both of the means, mean of x and then mean of y. Now we are going to apply to the formula. So to find out the slope. Okay, to find out the slope, there is a equation. So summation of x minus x, the product of x minus x dash and then y minus y dash divided by x minus x dash the whole square. So we need to find out those steps. So here x minus x dash is here, right? So what is x minus x dash? You guys already know what is meant by x, what is x, and you guys already know what is x dash. So 1 minus 3, which is minus 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 3, which is 1. 5 minus 3, which is 2. Okay. So this is what x minus x dash. Same as like you need to find out y minus y dash. So 3 minus 3.6 minus 0.6. 4 minus 3.6, 0.4. 2 minus 3.6 minus 1.6. 4 minus 3.6, 0.4. 5 minus 3.6, which is 1.4. Okay, so this is what it's all about. Okay, are you guys are clear with this? So y minus y dash, so x minus x dash and then y minus y dash. Okay, and after that what we are just going to do is we are going to find out the next value, which is x minus x dash the whole square. So we already know what is meant by what is x minus x dash, which is minus 2. So the minus 2 to the whole square, which is 4. Minus 1 to the whole square, 1. 0 to the whole square, 0. 1 to the whole square, 1. 2 to the whole square, 4. So that is what x minus x dash, the whole square. Now we are going to do the multiplication of x minus x dash and then y minus y dash. This is the product, right? So x minus y dash, x minus x dash and then y minus y dash, the product. So minus 2 multiples of minus 0.6, the answer is 1.2. Minus 1 multiples of 0.4, which is minus 0.4. 0 minus 1.6, which is 0. One product of 1 multiples of 0.4, which is 0.4. And 2 multiples of 1.4, which is 2.8. So that is what we have found out. X minus x dash the whole square and x product of x minus x dash and then y minus y dash. Are you guys all super satisfied with this? If you are super satisfied, you just post super satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. So we guys have calculated x minus x dash by the equation itself, and we need to find out y minus y dash based on the formula. So slope formula, y minus y dash, which is also been found out, and then calculate x minus x dash the whole square. So x minus x dash the whole square, which is also find out now. Okay, so and then we need to calculate the product of x minus x dash and then y minus y dash. This is the column we guys have find out. And now what we are just going to do is we just want to apply into that equation. So before applying into the equation, there is one symbol which is nothing but the summation, right? The summation which is out there, which is nothing but 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 divided by 5. So based on that, we need to do that summation. Okay, so like it is like sorry, what is it? It is a 10. Okay, it is just a summation. Okay, it's not a mean. So it is just a summation. So 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 are 10. And 1.2 plus minus 0.4 plus 0 plus 0.4 plus 2.8. That is the value which we got 4. So now we got an output of now we got an value for to substitute in the equation. So upper numerator we have 4 and denominator we have 10. So 4 divided by 10, the total value which we got is the slope which we got is 0.4. So once you got the slope value which is 0.4, you can able to substitute. You can able to get that other value like intercept as well. So once you have find out the slope value, then you can able to find out the intercept by using this equation. So b is equal to y dash minus product of slope with the x dash. With the help of that, you can able to find out the intercept value. So intercept is here 2.4. So now you got both the slope and then intercept value. You can able to easily substitute in the equation called y is equal to mx plus c. So in the place of m, you need to substitute 0.4, and c in the place of c, we need to substitute 2.4. So y is equal to mx plus c. It is a straight line equation. So on that straight line equation, m and then c. So slope and then intercept, which is unknown now. But now we just found out everything based on our x and then y, which we already have. So we got a final equation which is y is equal to 0.4 x plus 2.4. Okay, did you guys really got this? Okay, if you guys have got this, you just post I got it, Sanjay, in your live chat. So what we just did is we just want to substitute that slope value and then intercept value which we guys have found out, which we need to substitute on that equation, straight line equation, y is equal to mx plus c or mx plus b. So once you have got it, you used to get that certain equation. So whenever new data got introduced, whenever new x's got introduced, for an example, you want to predict y for x value which is 6. So if that is the scenario, you can simply substitute in terms of in the 0.4 multiples of 6 plus 2.4. That is going to give you y. Okay, so do you guys really like this? Okay, if you really like this, you just post I like this, Sanjay, in your live chat. So this is what the final, this is what the function of this algorithm, guys. Okay, and once it has been done, we are going to pass the complete data into the model, and finally we are going to do the prediction. Okay, so that is all the complete workflow. I hope you really like this linear regression algorithm. If you really like this linear regression algorithm, you just post I like this, Sanjay, in your live chat. Guys, do you really like this? Because this is very simple, right? So I'm going to be repeating you again. So only once again. First of all, here we have a problem. We need to predict the house price based on the land area. So like square feet or centimeter or meter, anything. Okay, meter or anything. Okay, so we're going to predict the house price. So here we have a data set which is having a two columns. One is our x and which one is another one is a y. So first of all, we need to load the dataset by using a pandas library, and we need to summarize our dataset to get the information about the dataset, and we need to visualize our dataset. Just it's an optional. And then while talking about the algorithm, linear regression, it is nothing but the main motive is to draw a straight line to be fit for the maximum data point. That is the best fit line. So while talking about that, here we have the data like x and then y. By based on that x and then y, we need to form one equation. So normally we already know, since it is a straight line thing, so we already know the straight line equation, which is y is equal to mx plus c. So here m and then c, which is unknown, slope and then intercept is unknown. So to find out the slope, we have a formula which is m is equal to summation of x minus x dash, product of x minus x dash and then y minus y dash divided by x minus x dash the whole square. That is the equation to find out the slope. And then to you find out the equation, to find out the intercept, here we have a formulas like b is equal to y dash minus m multiples of x dash. Okay, so with the help of that, we used to substitute that m and then c on that straight line equation. So here we have y is equal to 0.4x plus 2.4. Okay, so that is what we got. Okay, so now what we are just going to do is furtherly. So once you guys have understood about the algorithm, we are going to pass the data which we guys have already segregated into that model. So it is going to train it. It is going to find out that equation. So based on that, whenever you are giving some new input, it is going to give you the predicted results. So that is what the complete that is what the complete theoretical part. Okay, so all you guys are really ready for the hands-on. Okay, if you all super excited and if you all super ready for the hands-on, you just post some fire emojis, or you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat, or you just post some I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat. Whatever the expression which you guys have to do as a hands-on the project, which is house price prediction using linear regression, you just share your emojis in the live chat, guys. Okay, are you guys all really ready? Okay, so now here we have the source code, guys. So let us create, or let us do as a hands-on. Okay, so what is the thing we are going to do? We are going to predict the house price based on the land area. So on that aspects, here I have a huge data which is having two columns, but I think we have nearly like 1,461 rows. So by analyzing this complete data set, it is going to form one straight line equation by substituting m and then c. It is automatically going to find out, because here we have seen some mathematics, right? We are not going to do it because the algorithm is going to do that. So that is the library. That is the advantage of the library. Okay, we are not going to find out the mean. We are not going to find out the plotting. We are not going to find out substituting into the equation. So we are not going to do that. Instead, algorithm is going to do that. Okay, so it is going to be very simple. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting fire emojis. Okay, so before going further, I would like to reveal the surprise. Okay, so I think it's really it is really a great time to reveal the surprises, right? So what is the surprises? I think you guys already know we are providing an internship. So only one internship, like only a internship, which has been provided at the price of 999. And for the people who guys are really here, we used to provide single courses at the price of 750, and we guys have provided 3-in-1 combo like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics, 3 courses at the price of 999. We guys have already provided, right? But there is a surprise which I'm revealing now. I think you will be feeling really happy when you are seeing this. Okay, so this is the surprise, guys. What is the surprise is today, one day of course, I'm just going to provide you the 4 courses at the price of 999. I think on the first day, we guys have given this 4 courses at the price of 999. So what is that 4 courses is? First of all, you are going to get Python course. Okay, so Python course at the price of so first of all, you're going to get a Python course, and then you're going to get data analytics, and then artificial intelligence, and then machine learning. So likewise, we are providing this 4 courses at the price of 999 now. Okay, guys, do you really love this offer which we are providing now? Okay, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So here you just imagine, try to imagine, guys. So there is a one course. It is not like normal boxes. So Python, which is one course, which is we have covered up a lot of Python lectures. And then in artificial intelligence, we guys have covered, there is agenda. You just look on it here. So in artificial intelligence, we guys have covered how to create a chatbot and installing a Python, computer vision, and did some of the projects like face detection, object tracking, face recognition, and those stuffs. And in the deep learning, here we have some of the projects like object recognition, image classification, hand gesture. There are a lot of projects out there. And in the machine learning, here we have a lot of projects like fake news detection, AI snake game, and natural language processing. Here we have applications like title formation, speech emotion analysis. Deploying in hardware, here we have 2 applications, two days. Same as like here we have the machine learning courses where it has been covered every algorithms, like you just see here. Every uppercase alphabet which is representing one algorithm. So we guys have nearly explored like 25 plus projects, 25 plus algorithms. So here we have a machine learning course, which is also a 30 days course. And in the data analytics, we guys have covered Excel, statistics, and then probability, business intelligence tools, Python, NumPy and Pandas, data visualization, SQL, MongoDB, machine learning, deep learning, NLP. So as well as the Python, which has also been covering up from zero to hero, like a kind of thing, like which is completely from the scratch to advanced level, which is required for to become a data scientist. So likewise, there are 4 courses which is out there, guys. Are you really, guys, wanted to learn something based on application? Because I would like to list down some of the problem which has been faced by the participants or faced by the students, employees, or professors whenever they are looking for some other courses or some other courses. They want to learn something new. So some of the problem they used to face, the problems like if there is no project, because whenever people used to subscribe or registering for some other courses, they will get like maximum about to five projects. But if you are registering for this 4-in-1 courses, you are going to get nearly like 90 projects. Okay, it is not like only like 90 source code, it is like 90 projects. Additionally, other source code is also going to be there. Okay, 90 plus projects, it is also going to be there. Okay, so nearly like 70 to 90 will be projects will be there. Okay, so projects, guys, it is not a source code, it is a projects. Okay, so here we have this offer. And then the another problem is if the session which is not been taken in application based learning, so like learning a concepts and learning a programming syntax and building a project. So likewise, people used to face a problem. So that problem is also solved whenever if you are going to register for this 4-in-1 course. And then other problems like what is it? Like whenever they are going to apply for a job and those stuffs. So definitely the list of projects is really mandatory thing. So we are providing that offer. So here you guys are gonna have lot of projects. So on that lot of projects which you got really familiar, which is really good, which project is you are really good at. So you can use that. Okay, you can use that project in your resume. So that is also another problem. And another further problem is once you guys have registered for some other courses. So if you are buying some course from Udemy or something like that, so additionally you won't get any lectures. So only lectures which is present in that portal, you are going to get that. But here, if you are registering for this 4-in-1 courses now, each and every Saturday we are conducting weekly masterminds where we are giving new values. New values like previously we guys have conducted the session on a paper space cloud, and we guys have conducted GitHub Copilot. So likewise, we guys have conducted additional sessions. So apart from the course lectures which is out there, we are conducting that kind of weekly masterminds as well. Okay, so if you really struggling on those stuffs, which is where you guys will really want that kind of guidance, and definitely this is going to be the only solution for you. Okay, so there are a lot of courses which has been provided by others, guys, but there are a lot of huge differences which is being present in the other courses, which is the other which is our courses. There are a lot of solutions and a lot of problems which is going to be solved by using or by having this 4-in-1 course. Okay, if you already registered now, you just post I registered Sanjay in your live chat, or you just post I am in Sanjay in your live chat, because this is a huge surprise, guys. We are in the not in the plan up to before 1 hour. Okay, we got that idea before 1 hour only, so we just giving this offer to you. Okay, so this is today is the last day, guys. Okay, tomorrow again there is going to be three courses at the price of 999, like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then data analytics, only 999. But now, if you are going to register now today, you are going to get this 4 courses at the price of 999. Okay, so don't waste your time. And the link which is given in the live chat today offer Python plus AI plus ML plus DA. So InstaMojo link which is given in the live chat, you just click that link and register for it, guys. Okay, so now let us directly jump on to the session. So remaining session which is all about what is it? Okay, so someone posted I am in Sanjay, wonderful. Samir, wonderful. I am in, and Anjali posted yes, wonderful. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay, so let us go to the hands-on. So house price prediction using linear regression. So first of all, we need to import some of the libraries. So import pandas as PD. So this library which is going to be helpful for handling a data. I think you guys already know that. And from sklearn, so from scikit-learn.linear model, import linear regression. So here we are doing a regression kind of project. So we really need a library. Okay, a linear regression algorithm. So from sklearn.linear model, import linear regression. So we guys have given that linear regression. So we guys have imported it, and matplotlib library, which is going to be helpful for doing visualization of our data. So that is what the matplotlib library which has been given here. Okay, so now I'm just going to run this. So import pandas library from scikit-learn the algorithm, which is linear regression, and then matplotlib library. So 3 libraries which has been imported. Sujan posted, I am in. Wonderful, Sujan. Congratulations for choosing that offer. And Nammo, thank you so much and congratulations for choosing that offer. I am in. Wonderful. It is really a great offer, guys. Hereafter, I really not sure where I'm going to give that offer to you. So this is the right opportunity to get 4 courses at the price of 999, because it is not going to be get in anywhere else, because we guys have invested a lot of money. Because while talking about me, I've invested a lot of money on studying a lot more stuffs, where we guys have constrained in a very precise manner, where we guys have separated everything into a separate courses, where we have this 3 main courses which we are providing at the very low cost. This is the right time. Wonderful action by Nammo Sujan. Thank you so much and congratulations. Now, load data set from the local directory. So what we just want to do, so since I have a data set which is present in my local directory, we need to upload the data set into my online notebook. So from google.colab import files, uploaded is equal to files.upload. So I'm just going to click the choose files button, and I'm just going to choose the directory. So dataset.csv. Okay, so here we have chosen it. So dataset which has been uploading into this online notebook. So dataset.csv. So it has been uploaded. Okay, so once the data set which has been uploaded, here we have load data set. So what we are just going to do is, so up to now only we guys have uploaded the data set into the online notebook, but now we are going to load the data into a single variable called dataset by using a pandas library. So pd.readcsv of dataset.csv. So we are going to run it. So dataset is equal to pd.readcsv of dataset.csv. So we are going to load that data into a single variable called dataset. Okay, once it has been loaded, we are going to summarize our dataset. So print of dataset.shape, which is going to give number of rows and column which is present in our dataset. In our dataset, we have 1460 rows and 2 column which is present in our data. And print of dataset.head of 5, which is going to give top 5 values of my data. Okay, so these are the data which has been summarized. Okay, and then, so guys, are you guys are clear with this up to now? If you are clear with this up to now, you just post I'm clear now, clear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so first of all, we have loaded a library, pandas, algorithm which is linear regression, matplotlib for visualization, and then we guys have uploaded the data set into online notebook, and now we guys have loaded a data into a variable called dataset, and then we guys have summarized our data set, and then we just guys visualize our data set, right? So now, now we are going to visualize our data sets. So on the visualization, first of all, plot.x label of area and plot.y label of price. So here we have two column which is area and then price. So plot.scatter of dataset.area, dataset.price, which is going to be my x, dataset.area which is going to be my x, and dataset.price which is going to be my y, and color is equal to red, marker is equal to star. So you just see the output, then you can able to understand this. Okay, data points are being plotted. Okay, so we just simply guys plotted our data point in this graph. Okay, so like which is nothing but 8,450 comma 2,85,500. So here we have 8,400, right? So here 8,400 comma 2,08,500. So likewise, every data point which has been plotted in the graph, just it is an optional, guys. Okay, and then we are going to segregate our data. So while doing a segregation, same thing like we are going to drop this price column. We are going to take the rest of the column which is going to be my x. So our x which is getting out only my area column, and in the y, so dataset dot price, which is nothing but we are going to take only the last column, price column, that is my y. So we guys have segregated our data set into input and then output. My x is going to be my input and y is going to be my output. And then we are going to train our data set by using a linear regression. So model is equal to linear regression model.fit of x comma y. So x is going to be my input and y is going to be my output. So we are going to pass both the x and then y into the linear regression algorithm. Okay, simply model is equal to linear regression. Simply we are passed model.fit of x comma y. Okay, once it has been passed, then what we are just going to do is, so the model has been trained now. So this model variable is having that intelligence. Okay, so I am repeating you again, this model gains some intelligence by using x comma y. Now we are going to predict the price of the land square feet. Are you guys all super excited to see the output of the model? Okay, for an example, randomly I am just going to give some number like a square feet of the land. So our model is going to tell us what is going to be the price of that land which the area we guys have given. Okay, so if you are super excited to see the output, you just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so I'm repeating again. So we guys have loaded the data set, we have summarized our data set, we guys have visualized our data set, we guys have splitted our data set into input and then output. So once it has been done, we guys have passed that input and then output of data into the model linear regression. So once it has been trained, so model.fit, it is going to complete the training process. Once it has been trained, so we are going to start doing a prediction. So on that prediction, what is the prediction is, we are going to randomly give some land square feet. So based on the land square feet, our model is going to tell us what is going to be the price of the land. So that is what the predicted results, that is what the results our model is going to deliver to us. GBK posted, excited, wonderful GBK. Thank you so much for giving the response. Okay, so let us do guys. So for an example, Shraddha Chavan posted, I'm super excited, wonderful. So x is equal to, I'm just giving some land which is having a square feet of 1120. So square feet or meter, anything guys, don't worry about the units, just the numbers. Okay, x is equal to 1120, so some kind of unit, and land areas in square feet, we just passing that x value. So predicted model result is equal to model dot predict of land area in square feet. So I'm just going to run this. So run, it is going to give me the results. So this is going to be the price of the land. The land which is having the square feet of 1120 square feet, that price of the land which is going to be 1,61,188 rupees. So this is going to be the price of the land. Guys, do you guys really love this output? If you guys really love this output, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so x is equal to 1120. So we guys have given some land square feet. So based on the square feet, it is just given the predicted results like the price of the land. So that is what the results we got. Okay, and if you really want to check out based on in terms of equation, so from the model itself you can find out the slope value. So m is equal to model dot coefficient, it's just given my m value, which is m is nothing but my slope. The slope value which is 2.09, because in our mind map here we got one slope value, right? So in our mind map, so in our here we got the slope value which is 0.4. This 0.4 which is for this data, whereas for our data the slope value which is 2.09. Okay, same as like for intercept. So intercept value for this x and then y data, the intercept value is 2.4. But for our model, the intercept value is 1,58,836 value. Okay, so this is what the intercept. So m and then intercept. Now if you really want to substitute in the equation, so y is equal to mx plus b. So m we already find it out, the slope which is 2.09, and then intercept which is 1,58,836, and our x is 1,120. So let us check out the results by cross verifying it. If I'm going to run this, the price of the 1,120 square feet land is 1,61,188 rupees. So this is what the results which we got. Okay, so it's same as like for an example, if I'm gonna giving square feet which is in the like what is it, 7,859 square feet. So if I'm just going to run this, so this is going to be the price. Okay, so likewise you are going to get the results for this guys. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this output, enjoyed the demo. If you really enjoyed it, you just post I enjoyed the session Sanjay in your live chat. Again, I'm telling you, we used to provide a single courses at the price of 999, but now we are providing at the price of 750. But as a launch, the people you guys are already participating in the free event, we are providing 3 courses at the price of 999. But still going further, so people who are all going to register today, those people are going to get 4 courses at the price of 999. Number 1 course is Python. Number 2 is AI, which is 30 days course, and data analytics, which is also 30 days course, and machine learning, which is also 30 days course. So likewise, you are going to get this 4 courses at the price of only 999. Okay, this is really a one-time offer, guys. Hereafter, I'm really never I'm gonna giving you this offer. Okay, the people who are all out there, if you really want to come out from the certain problem, if you really want to get the career, if you really want to start earning money by gaining some knowledge on the field of data science, most trending technology, even though you are from any department, you can get this. Even though you are completely not knowing anything, even you don't know Python, even you don't know AI, even you don't know anything about the technical field or technology, you can start it, because here it is completely from the scratch. Python plus AI plus ML plus data analytics. So you are going to get from start to end kind of results. Okay, so this is the right time. Today is the last day to get this 4-in-1 courses at the price of 999, guys. Okay, you just click the link and register for the internship before the offer ends. Okay, so question and answer before today, we'll skip it out, guys, because I'm having next blockchain masterclass is also there. Okay, I'm really sorry for that. And if you guys haven't followed me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link is also given in the description below. And if you guys really having any course related doubt, you can call to this or WhatsApp to this number 7305845758. And if you guys have any project or product related inquiries, please visit pantechsolutions.net. And I hope you guys all super enjoyed the session. If you guys all super enjoyed the session, you just post your comments in the live chat like I super enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.